Good morning, everyone. My name is Anandu S. Anand. I am going to present a PPT on the topic social cost benefit analysis. Commercial cost benefit analysis is differentiated into total cost of the project, expected future benefit from the project, benefit which is larger than the cost is desirable here. So it is nothing but a profitability analysis. But what will be the cost and for the benefits that a society may have to bear and for to get from the post project are not considered here. What is social cost benefit analysis? So to reflect the real value of the project to society, we must consider the impact of the project on society. Impact is differentiated into parts: positive, that is social benefit; negative, the social cost. Thus, when we evaluate a project from the viewpoint of the society or economy as a whole, it is called social cost benefit analysis or economic analysis. Core difference between CBA and SCBA. CBA limited range of effects are considered as it measures the profitability of individual who are only a part of the society. The evaluator has to be taken a wide view as it tries to measure social values of the whole society. It is quantitative in nature, it is quantitative and qualitative in nature. Scope of SCBA. SCBA can be applied to both public and private investment. Public investment, SCBA is important specializing for the developing countries where government plays a significant role in the economic development. Private investment, here SCBA is also important as a private investments are to be approved by the various government and quasi governmental agencies. Objectives of SCBA. The main focus of social cost benefit analysis is to determine economic benefits of the project in terms of shadow prices, the impact of the project on the level of saving and investment in the society, the impact of the project on the determination of income in the society, the, the contribution of the project towards the fulfillment of certain merit wants, self efficiency, employment, etc. Significance of SCBA. CBA is unable to reflect social values. Hence, SCBA has been emerged with some interesting significance. This significance can also make the SCBA different from the CBA. Market imperfections, externality, tax and subsidy, concern for saving, concern for redistribution, merit wants. Significance of SCBA: market imperfection, market prices, the basic for CBA do not reflect the social values under imperfect market competition. Externality: the market may have beneficial or harmful external effects that are considered in SCBA, not in CBA. Tax and subsidies. From the social point of view, tax and subsidies are nothing but transfer payments. But in CBA, tax and subsidies are treated as monetary cost and beneficial benefit respectively. Concern for saving. In SCBA, the division between benefit and consumption is relevant, wherein higher valuation is placed on saving. But in CBA, such division is irrelevant. Concern for redistribution. In SCBA, the distribution of benefit is very much concerning issue where commercial private firm does not bother about it. Merit wants. Merit wants are important from the social point of view and therefore SCBA consider these wants. Approach to SCBA. There are two principal approaches for SCBA. First is UNIDO approach and second is LM approach. UNID approach. This approach is mainly based on the publication of UNIDO, that is United Nations Industrial Development Organization, named Guide to Practical Project Appreciation in 1978. Second is LM approach. IMD Little and J.A. Merrill's had developed this approach for analysis of social cost benefit in Manual of Industrial Project Analysis in Developing Countries and Project Appreciation and Planning for Developing Countries. UNID approach. The UNID approach of social cost benefit analysis involves five stages: calculation of financial profitability of the project measured at market price, obtaining the net practice of the project at shadow efficiency price, objective of SCBA1, uh, adjustment for the impact of the project of saving and investment, objective of SCBA2, adjustment for the impact of the project on income distribution, uh, objective of SCBA3, adjustment for the impact of the project on merit and demerit goods whose social value difference from their economic values, objective of SCBA4. UNID approach. Stage 1, calculation of financial profitability of the project. A good technical and financial analysis must be done before a meaningful economic evaluation can be made so as to determine financial profitability. Financial profitability is indicated by the net present value of the project, which is measured by taking into account inputs and outputs at market price. The commercial, the second stage is obtaining the net benefit of the project at economic shadow prices. The commercial profitability analysis calculated in stage 1 would be sufficient only if the project is operated in perfect market, because only in the perfect market price can relevant the social value. If the market is imperfect, most of the cases is in reality net benefit of the project is determined by assigning shadow prices to inputs and outputs. Therefore, developing shadow prices is very much vital. Obtaining net benefit of the project and illustration. 2 million man days of unskilled labor for which the project commit desire to pay a daily wage of TK 100. Additional information: the shadow price of unskilled labor is 80 TK per day. So there is a table which explains the cost type, nature, private angle and social angle. The unskilled labor one shot, and the private angle is 20 crores and social angle is 16 crores. Obtaining net benefit of the project and illustration. 0.5 million acres of land will be irrigated. The government will charge the water levy at TK 150 per acre. Additional information: the value of the additional output per acre due to the irrigation will be TK 500 per acre. So there is a table which explains the benefit type, that is irrigation, nature is annual, and private angle is 7.5 crores, social angle is 25 crores. LM approach. MID Little and James A. Merrills had developed a approach to SCBA, which is famously known as LB approach. The core of this approach is that the social cost of using a resource in developing countries differs vastly from the price paid for it. Hence, it requires shadow prices to denote the real value of the resource to society. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed the presentation. Thank you.